Hello, Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 3. This is a video number 4 and we start another very important title. The most important title you will be feel difficult. Mole. Okay? Mole. So, 开始了。Your notes, page number 1. 你的 notes 第几面呢？ Okay? Page number 4. 第4面。So, mole and the number of particles. 第一回合。3 level. 3回合。And this is the first level 啦。Mole and the number of particles. So what is mean by mole? 什么叫 mole? If you check dictionary, mole it may be called orgy. 这里不是这个，不要讲我啊。So what is mean by mole? You copy first. 抄写。So 1 mole is the amount of substance which contains the same number of particles as there in 12 grams of carbon 12. Okay, you try to understand. 想想看这一句话。Okay. So what's mean by mole? 什么叫 mole? Don't know. Don't know. I change into diagram. 我把 mole 呢变成一个图片给你看。Okay, and we learn from the diagrams. 什么叫 mole?So now they say are having some carbon powder, black carbon powder that we call carbon 12, okay? And the carbon 12 actually is 12 grams, 12 grams. 明白吗？现在我有12 grams 的碳粉 But can somebody tell me in the 12 grams of carbon 12 powder, how many particles inside? 里面到底有多少粒的 particle?And the particle of the carbon will be atom 呢？它到底里面有多少粒的碳的原子在里面呢 ？Don't know， 对不对 ？Too many particles and we don't know. But actually I know. In 12 grams of carbon 12 powder, it contains 1 mole of particle. 它里面有1 mole 的质量。Okay? But the problem is here, 1 mole, how many particles? 1 mole 到底是多少粒呢？12 grams 的碳里面就有1 mole 的质量。But 1 mole, how many particles? I know, 我也知道。1 mole actually is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 particle. 1 mole 里面就是有 6.02 乘 10 to the power of 23 particle. So what's mean by mole? 什么叫 mole? Mole actually is a number. Mole is actually a number. 它就是一个 number. And what is a number? 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. 就是 6.02 乘 10 to the power of 23. And where is a number come from? 这个 number 来自哪里呢？ This is a number of particles in 12 grams of carbon 12. 这个 number 就是12 grams 的碳粉里面的 number of particles 啦 ，atom 的数量来的。So I repeat 重复。只要你的 basic 好，等一下你才能自己讲话，以后才不会靠北靠步，明白吗？什么是 mole？ mole 其实就是一个 number， 那个 number 叫 6.02 times 10 to the power 23， 6.02 乘 10 to the power 23啦。OK， 这个 number 从哪里来的 ？The number actually is the number of particles in 12 grams of carbon 12， 它就是12 grams 的碳12里面的 number of particles。And for this number, actually we having a name。这个 number 其实有一个名字 ，we can call it as Avogadro constant or Avogadro number。OK， 它有一个名字，它的名字就叫 Avogadro constant and Avogadro number，Na 啦。OK，so 这个就是我们所谓的 mole， 它就是一个 number 6.02乘10 to the power 23。这个 number 也就是碳12 gram 里面的 number of particle 来的，它有一个名字叫 Avogadro constant, Avogadro number。为什么这样子叫？因为那个科学家的名字有这个字 Avogadro。OK， next。So mole and the number of particles, mole 就是一个 number 6.02乘10 to the power 23。So the number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12 is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23。12 grams 的碳粉里面就有 6.02 乘10 to the power 23的 particle， 明白吗 ？Okay， and the number is called Avogadro number or Avogadro constant。这个 number 就叫 Avogadro number， 也叫 Avogadro constant。Why？ 因为那个科学家的关系，所以这种就是 mole。什么来的？一个 number， 什么 number？ 6.02乘10 to the power 23， 哪里来的？12 grams 的碳粉里面的 particle， 这个 number 叫什么名字 ？Avogadro constant。So this is what we call mole。Okay。Next， 再来 practice， 我们试试看。 The particle in a matter can be atom, ion, or molecule. Still remember? 所有的物质里面的 particle 可能是 atom, 可能是 ion, 可能是 molecule. So 1 mole of ions contains how many ion atom? 1 mole 的铁到底有多少粒铁的原子呢？ Okay, so what is mean by mole? Mole is mean 6.02 times 10 to the power 23啦。So 1 mole 的铁就是1个 6.02 乘10 to the power 23的铁啦。So 1 mole ions contain 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 of ion atom 啦。So mole 就是这个字来的。1 mole water contains how many water molecule? 1 mole 一个 mole 就是一个这个 number 啦。Okay, it contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 water molecule. 1 mole oxygen contains how many oxygen molecule? 1 mole 就是一次的 6.02 乘10 to the power of 23. So 这种就是 mole 的意思。Understand? Okay. And now under your notes, you copy a formula. The formula actually is quite useful, 很好用。You copy here the formula. 这个 formula 就抄在这边。And after this formula, we're going to try some calculation example. 我们就要试试看它的 calculation example 了。Okay? So copy the formulas. So mole and the number of particle, what is the formula? The number of mole is equal to the number of particle over the Avogadro constants. Okay? Copy this formula. And this formula is quite useful. 其实很好用的。Number of mole就是 number of particle over Avogadro constant 除它1 mole 的 number. Okay, but how to use the formula? We see you in the next video for about calculation. 我们用现在写的东西教在下一个 video. 我们来做算草了，我们要算东西了。Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.